right, so here we are in Zurich, Switzerland. This is day 2 of my time in Zurich. I thought I was here 3 whole days, but literally it's 2 nights, and then I'm leaving tomorrow morning, and I got to take an early train because I'm headed to Cologne. And from here, that's going to be about a 5.5-hour train ride, I believe. So I didn't vlog yesterday. I got in kind of late. Truth be told, I was a little tired. Didn't really feel like vlogging much. I just came, checked into my hotel, relaxed a bit at the bar, in my room, and then went down to the bar for some drinks and dinner. So I didn't really do much yesterday. I'm getting kind of a late start today. I was up late last night editing videos. I'm realizing that trying to travel, sightsee, film, and edit videos in a timely fashion is very time consuming. So I'm getting a late start today. It's all good though. Zurich, small town. It's not a whole lot to see or do here, so I'm just gonna hit the old town, go by the main church, and actually I'm about to go grab a bite first, so I'll vlog that. But yeah, short time in Zurich, not as much time as I thought I had planned, so it's okay. We'll see as much as we can, and then we'll see you in the next city. So until then. All right, so here we are. First stop is lunch. Stopped at, guess what? Another burger joint. It's good. I wanted to try another burger. I ate some sausage bratwurst last night and was not really feeling it. So I figured I'd go to my go-to, a good old burger. And everybody at my hotel said this place is really good. The menu is very unique. Different kinds of house-made burgers, so we'll see when it comes out. I hope it's delicious as I hear that it is, so we'll see. All right, let's make these disappear. Right, here I am at Fondue Restaurant. What's the name? Raclette Stubli. Raclette Stubli. Finally having Swiss fondue. It's delicious. Dessert time, Musée Chocolat, or aka chocolate mousse.
A friend of me was oh, this is
Walking around Switzerland, just finished dinner. Now I guess I'm headed for a cocktail.